It's a Monday. I'm talking about my Legion secret. And guys, I do have a very specific Clickbank kind of update which I want to share with you. You see, I've been doing this strategy for some time. It's been about 3 years that I'm following this strategy with my Legion secret. If you're interested in getting Clickbank sales, if you're interested in improving your Clickbank affiliate marketing results, then take into consideration this video with this strategy, because there is unlimited ways of you actually to get ideas, and these ideas can be then implemented, and once they're implemented, then you can get results. Obviously, I cannot guarantee you those results, but I can show you the methodologies that I'm using myself on a daily basis to get as better results as I can. All right, so let's get into it. I just want to share my strategy before we get started. It's a very simple strategy. It's called the funded proposal strategy. I have more details about it in the description of this video, as well as in the pinned comments. Up to you if you guys want to check it out. I make these videos every single week, so in case you're interested in following up on my Legion secret, or maybe learning about strategies, or even working with me personally, then the links are all in the description. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you get notified for the future videos. I post 3 times a week, guys. So on Monday I talk about my Legion secret mainly, and then on Wednesday I go over the tools that I'm using and so on and so forth, the strategies that I'm using with those tools. And then on Friday, we talk about pure affiliate marketing strategy. So that's how I have structured my week. If you guys are interested, obviously, as I mentioned, hit that subscribe button. Okay. So as you can see, my Legion secret is a fundamental part of the entire process of mine. We send to offers. Now, I have 3 accounts personally with my Legion secret. This is not a review video. If you want to check out the other review videos, I have a whole playlist that you can find in the description that will give you ideas and strategies and so on and so forth. Okay, so that's going to be that. This is not pretty much a review. This is more kind of telling you I've been using this tool, which is my Legion secret, for the last 3 years. It has been doing really well for me. And I am sharing the strategies that I have, right? So Clickbank is one of the places that I actually find affiliate offers that I share on my Legion secret. You see, I use my Legion secret for the traffic that it generates, which leads me to this point. What is my Legion secret? Well, it is simply a resource that gives you 100 leads every single day. You don't need a website. You don't need to, do paid traffic. It's actually the vendors are using paid traffic, collecting these leads, and then sharing these leads with everybody. So they call co-registration leads that have accepted promotional emails from other people, which is why they can give it to us. But you have to send out an email every single day. So I use it as kind of an autoresponder in itself, that, I get drip leads every single day and I send out an email to those 100 leads. Now, if you do have one active member besides yourself that's using this tool under you, they have an affiliate offer, they have affiliate link, then you can get a bonus 100 leads. So that means you get 200 leads every day. So in a nutshell, it gives you 100 to 200 leads on a daily basis. They're co-registration leads that are looking to earn an income online. So make sure that it is offers related to these opportunities. And that's what I'm going to share with you today. One of the places that you can use is Clickbank. In Clickbank itself, in the marketplace, you have a category called e-business and e-marketing. And in this e-business and e-marketing, you have different sections. You have affiliate marketing, article marketing, as you guys can see here, blog marketing, and so on and so forth. I honestly just focus on the top products. So if you go to this section right here and you put rank high to low, you'll see an overall rank of what the products are working. I usually work on the gravity score of high to low, and this gives me also an idea. Just to give you guys an example, Clickbank is an affiliate network which you can test out the various offers that are available. Like Instadoodle, for example. I don't personally use this offer, but these are offers that are there. I focus on the way, at least this is what I've seen working, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit of a, let's say, a trick on how to have unlimited offers with the same product, like kind of the same service behind it. So I personally focus on, let's say, side income jobs, like live chat jobs, like social media jobs, like write app reviews. These are all side jobs, paid online writing jobs. These are also service-based jobs that actually it's from the same vendor, if I'm not mistaken, from the same person who's selling. They have these different jobs. And as the person decides to get on this membership, you get paid an affiliate commission. These are service-based jobs. Within social media, you can see right here, it says get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, in this case it's X now, but Facebook, X, YouTube. This offer has been on Clickbank for the last 12 years. It is an offer that is made a lot of money online. Okay? Yes, it's making about an average conversion rate of around $14 per sale, but that is a perfect range for something like My Lead Gen Secret as an offer. So that is why I personally use these resources. Now within this, there are two things that I want to share with you: how you can first and foremost optimize your commission levels, and then secondly, how you can also optimize your emails. Imagine if you just, a lot of people, this is the strategy that most people use in any kind of affiliate marketing, come here and they look at the sales page. So if I click over here to go to the sales page, this is the sales page that it will take me to, which is basically a quiz funnel. Okay, this is a quiz funnel. You start the quiz, you answer the questions. I want a job at home. I want to use Facebook. I want to earn about part-time job, earning around $307 a week. I have a laptop and desktop, and then it'll take me to an offer. So it says, this is the offer that I suggest, and you can get started. What is this offer? Now I have my VPN on so that you guys understand. So the VPN is showing Germany, so it's going to show Germany here, but I live in Italy, just for you guys to understand. It says 175 a day on Facebook. This is the offer, and they can get started. So that's the quiz. This is the basic quiz funnel that converts really well already. That's the basic quiz funnel that you saw. I'm sorry about my internet, guys. I can see that I'm glitching a little bit, but that I'm going to continue and move on. As I said, that is a basic funnel right there. Now, what we want to do, I want to show you guys, is to find unlimited sources of these jobs that are available within this offer itself. So let's take this get paid with using Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube as an example. If you click on the affiliate page right here, it will take you to the vendor. In this scenario, it is, sorry, let me just close this. In this scenario, the vendor is, as you guys can see here, okay, paid social media jobs. This is what the offer is. It's been there since 2012, and it's been really, really cool to see how it's been generating a lot of income for a lot of people, including myself. Now you have different resources here. Okay, these resources are available for affiliates itself, whether you're using emails, swipes, whether you're using ads, whether you're using pixels for paid advertising, PPC ads, or everything is here available. The first thing that I want you to pay attention to, which I suggest that you look into, is this idea of getting the 10% bump. It's very simple to get the 10% bump, guys. You enter your email address here. Once you enter your email address here and click on join, then you will be contacted by, I believe, their affiliate manager, and you can let the affiliate manager know that this is your Clickbank ID and so on and so forth, and that you will be sending out email leads. I suggest not mentioning My Lead Gen Secret or any of your sources. Just say I'm building an email list and I'm sending out emails to this email list, and that's how I'm promoting the offer, for example. It's best to always give generic, because you never know sometimes whether the vendor will like the way that you're marketing or not. So it's really up to you. Obviously, that's your decision how you want to handle this. I personally kept it very generic, got this 10% bump, and that was what is needed. 10% bump basically means instead of getting a low amount for the commission, you're getting at least 85%. Instead of getting 75% commissions on all sales, you're getting 85% commissions on all sales. So that does make a difference, right? So first, get your income potential higher up. This is what you can see right here, so on and so forth. And then this is all information about the affiliate offer. Now, if I click on landing page, it will take me to another section of the entire, this is a section of the affiliate page that is basically what you can see right here is a hop link generator, and it will go to a specific link. So the way that I use this strategy is like, let's say I'm using this month of January for this affiliate offer, because I suggest also another tip here. I suggest not to keep changing offers. Keep at least for 1 month to 3 months the same offer, because that's what creates the continuity in My Lead Gen Secret, and it works really well to connect with your audience. That is what I recommend. Hop link generator is basically creating a link. Now you can see right here it says landing page, and you can have a video quiz, video job quiz. So these are quizzes for and it only has it goes to the default page. Okay, so these are landing pages. Again, I'm going to say this is landing pages, and understand that the sales page is what is important. This is what is important, not the landing page so much, but the sales page. So what I personally do is I don't click on the job quiz. Even the job quiz gives me only the default page. If I click on no opt-in, this also gives me only the default page. I mean, they're all good landing pages to send to, but it will give me the default sales page. Then there's a job landing page, and this is what I like. Okay, because when you click on job landing page, you have options. And honestly, guys, you can use these options to create emails for yourself. So for example, in this month of January, I actually split the concept remains the same, the product remains the same that I'm sending to, but what I'm talking about every week slightly changes. So I'm giving more examples. We're talking about social media. Let's say we want to talk about Instagram, 175 a day posting photos on Instagram. Or let's say you want to talk about I don't know, Quora. This is an option. Weekly magician YouTube channel. So you can go into like really specific job, and just to give you guys an understanding, I'll just show you very quickly the offer, right? So if I add this is the landing page that gives. It's all text. Okay, it's not going to be some video or something like that. It's all text, and that's how they have different landing pages. So this is what's available. And literally you can take this information, this entire information that's there right here, and you can just put it on a chat gpt and a text bot AI, and write your offer. So I always suggest to look at the link, because sometimes, and this is a clear example, it says 250 a day to 250 per day for a Telegram community moderator, right? Which is also interesting. But actually I selected weekly magician. So you see, that's why I say it's always good to check the actual link, because even when you go to the actual link, you'll see what is the job that is being offered. And based on this article, which converts, by the way, converts really well, you can take these requirements and write your different applications. So that's just my simple, really simple. The survey does the best job. The survey converts the best with upsells. It converts the best. But let's say you want unlimited ideas on every month, or for entire year you want to use this offer, you can use this landing page. Okay, you can use the landing pages that the affiliate offer is giving. The same is with live chat jobs, guys. If I go to live chat jobs affiliate page, it's the same vendor on the back end. Okay, says social rep, but social rep, social paid, they're all under the same group. Okay, honestly, I think they say it also right here. You see, paid writing jobs, paid social media jobs, these are all the same offer, same vendor on the back end. Right, app reviews, so they have the same logic. You go here, landing page again, and then if you decide and you choose the same job landing page, guess what, you have a list of relatable live chat assistant related jobs. So these are all assistant related jobs. So say you want to talk about shopping, and I'm going to just show you guys, should be a shopping one, right? So this is a job on social rep about getting paid to talk about shopping. You see what I mean right now? So this is how you can take that and create an idea for a week. Next week change it. You're still sending it to the same offer, but just with different angles. All right, that is how you engage your audience. That is how you connect with them, because not everybody's going to resonate with the same service-based offers. So you can give them different angles and show them that this is what can convert for you. Just a trick, because I know that a lot of people use Clickbank for My Legion Secret, and because they use Clickbank for My Legion Secret, I'm just showing you offers that I use, and I related really well to affiliate marketing as a whole. But it's up to you guys how you use it. I just wanted to share this strategy. Came to my mind. I said, let's make a video. Let's give it to you guys. And if you have any questions, feedback, comments, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, stay tuned for Wednesday's video, and I'm going to see you on the next one. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.